Did you notice these decimals were not correct? How would I fix that? Also, how could I move this? What if I wanted thickness to be first? What could I do? Do you have any ideas? Pause the video, give it a shot. You can edit the table. I know you didn't hit pause, but if you couldn't figure it out, you come back. The reason why these are reading off 0.19 is because I only go 2 places. So I'm going to highlight this and use this one here to add the decimals. I'm going to increase them to 4 places. So I like to always go 4 places because a lot of our fractions go to 4 places. As soon as I close this off and say yes or save and say close, it's going to modify the sheet here to match those same values. Okay, so you want to make sure you're watching your precision. Also, if I go to configuration or associate, if I wanted the thickness to be the first thing in this column, I could go associate and highlight thickness and use this up arrow down here to move it up and hit apply. When I go to configuration, now thickness is in the front. Maybe you want the ID before the OD, so I go back to associate and I pick the ID and I move it up. Come back to the configuration, ID is in front of OD. We'll hit apply. Thickness usually isn't in the front though, so I'm going to go to configure associate and I'm going to grab thickness and I'm going to move it to the end. Okay, I don't think we can drag these. You used to be able to drag them, but now we can't. So that's pretty much how you manipulate this tree. Again, make sure you're working to 4 places. And if you want to change the order of the listings to match whatever it is maybe you're working from, that's not a problem. Just hit the associate tab and highlight what you want to move, and you can use your up and down keys to move them. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a part number. So for the next demo, watch how to do the part number.